Hi, today we'll be looking into the examination marks feature. This feature is available in the principal section. Make sure to like the video and hit the sub button to get notifications about more of these types of videos. And you can also share this video with people you think this might be useful for. Our contact details can be found in the description box of this video. And if you leave your mobile number in the comment section, we will contact you. Okay, so this video is about the examination marks. That is in the examinations setup section. So in this section, everything has to be done in a sequence. So starting with examination terms, we have to set this up first, and then we have to move on to the subject category and then assessment types and so on. So today's topic is examination marks, and if you have not watched the previous videos, you can go and watch them on this channel. So let's click on examination marks. Okay, so first off, we will click on setup marks. Then we have to select a class. Let's go with 10th. And then we also have to select a term. Let's go with term 3. Now here we are in the setup section. So we have to fill the examination type details, the theory assessment type, and the theory total marks and passing marks. So we have to do all this because we are in the setup phase. But when the teachers will enter the marks, they will only have to enter the marks obtained. They will not have to go through all of this. We will set up all of this, and in the end, in the teacher's front, they will only have to enter the students' marks. That is, the marks they obtain. Now, our software deals with multiple boards. So according to the board, the examination type or their theory assessment might be a little different. So that is why all of these options are here to help you find the right options for you. So for each subject of this class that we selected, for example, it's 10th here, we have to select what the examination type is. So for example, for English, let's go with there is only a theory exam. And then for the theory assessment, is it done in marks or in grades? Let's go with marks. What are the theory total marks? Let's say they are 100. And what are the theory passing marks? Let's go with 33. Now for EVS, let's say that the examination type includes both, and let the theory assessment be in marks and let the practical assessment be in direct grades. Now, when we select grades here instead of marks, an option is removed, that is total marks obtained or passing marks. So if we select direct grades here, that option disappears. That is because if we go with the grades, the teacher on the front will see a list of grades from which they can straight up choose the grade of their liking or what the student obtained. Now again, for the theory assessment, we have selected marks. So let's just say that it is a 100 marks exam again. And again, the passing marks, let's go with 33. And now comes Hindi. Let's just say it is also a theory only subject, which it mostly is. So then again, the marks system will apply here, and 100 marks, and the passing marks again will be, okay, not 333. Then comes mathematics, again, theory only, and mark system 133. So just to diversify a bit, let's say that which subject can we go with practical only? Let's just go with practical only in general awareness. Let's just say that this subject has a practical only, and we can just give the practical some marks. So let's just say that it is a 100 marks exam again, same old story, and the passing marks 33. So similarly, we can fill all of these in. So let me just quickly do that. So after filling in the data, we can click on this submit button right here. Success, saved successfully. And if we scroll down, we can see these marks types that we just added for this class 10th. Now, along with viewing this, we can go to the right and we can edit this data or delete it. If we click on edit, again, the same thing, if we go up, opens up again and you can modify anything. Let's just say that the passing marks are 50 in this case. In case of mathematics, we can do that and click on update. And updated successfully, and that will reflect down here. As you can see, if you go to the left, it is for mathematics and the passing marks are now 50, whereas they were 33 previously, like every other subject. Now again, if you go to the right, we can also delete it and yes, delete it and record deleted successfully. Again, we cannot erase a single subject's data here. We have to set up and delete the whole class data in one go. So if we make it, we have to make it at one go. And if we delete it, we have to delete it in one go. So if we hit the delete button, not only will the data of a specific subject be deleted, all the data for that class, for that term will be deleted. And same is the case in the setup. Now, if we go down there, again, once we have the data in here, like we just did have, we can print it or download it in Excel or CSV form as per the requirement. Now, once you purchase a software, there is no per student charge. Unlimited students, unlimited staff, and unlimited cloud space is what we offer. Subscription charges don't increase for our existing users unless they choose a different plan. Okay, see you in the next one. Thank you.